Hi everyone, today at Face the Future we're going to do microneedling. I'm first starting off with cleansing my client's skin with Mesoaesthetics Hydro Milk Cleanser. So microneedling helps to produce collagen, is great for fine lines, wrinkles, pigmentation, and it's of anti-aging. For my client's comfort, I would apply numbing cream. This is left on for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, I will remove with our lovely warm hand mitts. I'm using Cleanercept to remove any makeup or any residue that may be left on her skin. This is to make sure no cream absorbs into her skin whilst microneedling. My client's concern is pigmentation, so today I'm using Mesoaesthetics Depigmentation Solution. I'm using the M.Pen to create tiny control channels into the skin's surface. This will target the body's natural healing process and promoting collagen production, and also help the products to penetrate deeper into the skin. Now I am applying more depigmentation solution evenly all over her skin. As you can see, her skin is turning red. This is a normal reaction. It indicates the skin is responding to the treatment. The redness usually fades away within a couple of days. We recommend for maximum results to use products for your skin concerns at home. So for my client, it would be focusing on her pigmentation. This will help towards achieving your skin goals. As you can see, I'm avoiding my client's breakouts. This procedure can spread bacteria from existing breakouts and cause inflammation, which can lead to new breakouts. We recommend microneedling every 4 to 6 weeks. In that period of time, it helps your skin to heal and also produce collagen. After microneedling my client's skin, I'm going to apply some Mesoaesthetics Fast Skin Repair. This will help reduce the inflammation, hydrate and moisturize the skin. Last but not least, I am going to apply pigmentation solution fluid from Aftercare. This will help prevent and correct hyperpigmentation. You should use SPF to protect your skin no matter what the weather or treatment. After our microneedling treatments, we give our clients to take home a crystal fiber mask. This is perfect for post-treatment.